Hello everyone. Let us discuss 3D plane and line. Most of the students are confusing in 3D plane and line. Here we will discuss first lines, then plane and line. In this lines we will discuss lines in 3D. We know that in 2D geometry, to form a line we require a point and a slope. Here in 3D, to form a line we need the same point we required. Instead of slope we need a vector which is parallel to the given line. Let this line is passing through this point and parallel to this vector, and any point on this locus is P of R bar. Let us take the O is any reference vector. So this is the A bar and this is R bar. Okay. Then this line equation will become as, this is the line equation, R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar. So what we can observe, any locus point OP bar is equal to any vector is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and this line is passing through the point. Let us the point as you can take as it is the O A bar is equal to A bar is equal to, let it is a point is some x1 y1 z1. So if you are writing this is in vector x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, and like this any vector parallel to this is B bar is equal to, let it is parallel to this vectors drs or will be a1 b1 c1. These are the drs, and if you are writing it is in the vector, then it is the a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap. Okay. If you simplify this line, equation, that is R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar. If shifting A bar to the left of the this equation, then R minus A is equal to TB bar. So this equation simplified in the Cartesian form, it will become as some x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. So this is a line equation, that is R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar. So this is the line equation L, x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. Let us take it is the L1, and in this way we can take the second line equation L2 is equal to x minus x2 by a2. So this is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. So this L1 mean this L1 is passing through the point x1 y1 z1, and the line drs will be a1 b1 c1. Here line drs mean it is parallel to this given line. Okay. So and this L2 is passing through the point x2 y2 z2, and the drs will be a2 b2 z a2 b2 c2. Okay. Now the relation between the L1 and L2, two lines, we'll see what is the relation between L1 and L2. Now see, let L1 as L1, what is the line we got it, x1 x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. Like this L2 is equal to, if you are taken as x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. if this angle between L1 and L2 using the dot product, so this formula will become this cos theta is equal to modulus of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square and root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. So this is the formula angle between the two lines in 3D. Okay. So if these two lines, if L1 and L2 are perpendicular, both are perpendicular, mean theta value is 90 degrees, cos 90 is, we know it, 0. So that means we can observe the condition as A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. So this is the condition for two lines are perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular condition is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. If the same two lines are parallel means collinear condition. We know that two linear equations are parallel, then we have to compare its coefficients. Now we are going to compare its DRs. So these are the DRs. Okay, we are going to compare the DRs. If L1 and L2 are parallel or collinear, then we are going to compare its DRs. What is the DRs comparison is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So if two lines are perpendicular, this is the one line, this is the another line. Two lines are perpendicular, then this is the condition. Here two lines are parallel. This is L1, this is L2. This is L1, this is L2. Two lines are parallel, then this is the condition we can observe. Okay. In the same way, we will discuss about the plane. Okay. So two lines are parallel condition, two lines are perpendicular condition. Now we observe. In the same way, we will discuss. Let us discuss about the plane. Plane is a surface, we know it. I am taking the one plane here. This is the one surface I am taking. Okay. So on this plane, P of x comma y comma z be any locus point which is lies on this plane, and the line is which is perpendicular to this plane, we are called as its normal. Normal DRs will be, let it is x A1 B1 C1. So this normal, if you want to write in vector form, A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. Any vector, locus vector on this plane R bar is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and this plane equation will be r dot n bar is equal to d. If you simplify this dot product using these two informations, this plane equation will become as pi. Plane generally we are denoting with pi, so then it is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d is equal to 0, let it is d1 is equal to 0 is a one plane equation we are getting. In the same way, let this plane is pi 1 and second plane is pi 2. This I am taking as a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. If these two planes are perpendicular, if these two planes are parallel, then what are its conditions? Let us see here. First case we'll see two planes are pi 1 and pi 2. Two planes are parallel. If these two are parallel, then what we can observe, this is, let it is the one plane and another plane is, let this is the pi 1, this is the pi 2. If these two are parallel, then we have to compare the x, y, z coefficients, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So these are the drs of this plane. Drs of this plane mean plane drs will be its normal drs. Plane drs will be its normal drs. That is a very important point. a1, b1, c1 are the drs of normal. Mean plane drs meaning its normal drs. a2, b2, c2 are drs of the plane, mean its normal plane. So we have to compare the x, y, z coefficients, then we'll get this condition if two planes are parallel. And if you are observe, plane 1 and plane 2 are perpendicular. These two are perpendicular, mean two planes are perpendicular. Let it is the one plane and another plane. If you are taken like this, these two are perpendicular, then its product of the a1 a2 drs will be 0. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. If two, let us discuss line and plane. So we know that line is passing through the point A of A bar and parallel to the one other vector B bar. So then this line equation will be R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar. If this line is parallel to another plane, suppose this is the plane, then this plane normal will be n bar. So if you observe this line and this n, mean this is the B bar and n normal, both are perpendicular to each other if line and plane both are parallel to each other. If a line and plane are parallel to each other, then this B bar and n bar are perpendicular to each other. Mean we know that B bar is equal to, we are taken as a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap, and n bar is equal to a capital A1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap. A1, B1, C1 are the drs of the normal. Drs of the normal mean they are the drs of plane, and small a1, small b1, small c1 are the drs of this line which is parallel to the given line. So these two are perpendicular, mean their dot product is 0, mean B dot n is equal to 0. So if you apply the dot product between these two vectors, then we will get the condition is capital A1 small a1, capital B1 small b1, capital C1 small c1 is equal to 0. So mean when the line and plane both are parallel, then this summation will get as capital A1 B1, capital A1 small a1 plus capital B1 small b1, capital C1 small c1 is equal to 0. Next case we will discuss if this line and plane are perpendicular, mean here we can take the one plane, I am taking the one plane and its normal will be, it is n bar. let one line which is perpendicular to this, let this is the line L, and the line which is parallel to the vector which is parallel to the line L is B bar. So if you observe, this is the plane and this is the line L. This plane and line both are perpendicular, meaning is this B bar and N bar are parallel. When these two are parallel, N bar is equal to, we know it is the A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap, and B bar is equal to A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. So then these two, when these two are parallel, then we have to compare its coefficients, ijk coefficients, that is A1 by small a1, capital B1 by small b1 is equal to capital C1 by small c1. So this is the condition when this plane and line are parallel. So the relation between plane and line, this is the relation between the line and plane. Thank you.